Yeah. Placing headlights on a 2015 Ford F350. First, I guess you got to remove these bolts in here. 10 mils. I just put them in my pocket. I guess the plows in the way. Alright. Yep, that's the one.
That's the one.
Alright. Hide your handy dandy 10 mil. I guess there it is. Just pull this back a bit. I know it's probably going to be impossible to see. There's tabs you push somewhere down here. Oh yeah. Of course, they don't give you much room to frickin' work. So get yourself a skinny friend. Oh yeah. Good luck getting that in the camera. Can you see it? Okay. So you just press down on here. Should slide right out.
Oh, there we go. Oh, yeah. That was it. That was it. Take her away.
Built Ford Duff. There you go. Grill removed. Couple minutes. And next, I believe there is 6 bolts. I guess I'll come over to your side. 6 bolts. Ooh, those are gonna be fun to find. But they're in between your bumper cover, which these are actually already removed. Okay, well that's easy. And 2 on the side. I think there's 1 at the top as well. And they should just pop right out. There. So that, there. 2 down here, but ours are already removed. That's one video. You can pause that. I want to be able to take this out before filming. So yeah. Take out your bolts. Just kind of wiggle your way out. Now you've removed your headlight assembly. Select your lights, install them, and repeat the process. Just go ahead and oh yeah, this is always going to be ignorant. Well, you know, I can always just fight it after.
The old blueies coming out.
So today we're going to use LED halogens, H13, Ford F350, 2015. Nice plug and play LED light. This other one's over the phone. Unpackaging the new stuff. This is exciting.
Nice lights.
Always try and be careful not to touch the diode. I don't know if it really matters for LEDs, but good practice anyway.
See if the plug works.
And then, yeah. Does it fit? Which way does it drop in? Oh, there we go. Drops in, turns. Plugs look the same. Oh, I heard it click. And go ahead and press the red piece back in.
I'll just cut all these videos together.
Oh yeah.
Come on. Now we'll just wrap them back around here for right now. Okay, let's see how this works.
So now we got the headlight installed and loosely in place. Ooh, yeah, that's nice. Oh, high beam, low beam. Oh yeah, that's way better. Look at that.
Holy cow, look at the white out of that, eh?
Yeah, that's nice.
Woo-wee.
Yeah, big shout out to those bulbs. Like, that's bright, but woo! That's a solar flare. There's no way that's bright.
Okay, let's go.
So you tuck the bottom of your headlight into the bumper, and then this should clip into place. Just like that. If you did it right, all your holes should be aligned on the sides and on the top. Looking pretty good.
Oh yeah, it looks good. I can see a hole.
Get your pocket of screws. 1, 2, 3, because that's all that was in there. And repeat the process. Yeah, it's easy when only half the screws